Hello there, my name is Stian from affiliatetechsupport.com. I'm going to show you how to install Prosper202. It's just going to take you less than 5 minutes. It's pretty easy. So let's get started. First thing you gotta do is log into your cPanel account on your domain name, which I've already done here. And then click on this box here and type in MySQL. Click on MySQL databases. We gotta set up a new database for Prosper. I'm gonna call mine Prosper. Create database. Added the database affiliate_Prosper. Go back. Then we gotta create a new user. I'm gonna call this one Prosper as well. For the password, I'm gonna use the password generator. Right click, copy this password. I'm gonna open up a new notepad and type in Prosper. Paste my password in there. Yes, I have copied this password. Use password. Then you click on create user. Okay, added user affiliate_Prosper with password dunk. So now copy the username. Right click, copy. Go into your notepad document and go Prosper user. So you got both those stored for later. Go back, click on add user to database, user affiliate_Prosper, add all privileges, make changes. Okay, that's all done. I'm gonna go back home. Next thing you gotta do is download Prosper. Just type in Prosper202 download or see the link below this video. Go to the download link here, click it. I'm just gonna save mine on the desktop. Press save. It's downloaded. Then we're gonna go back to cPanel. I'm gonna type in file to bring up the file manager. Okay, I've decided to install Prosper in a subdomain, which I've already created. But if we're gonna install it just on your root domain, just do not click this directory right here. Just stay in your root directory. Okay, the next thing, I'm gonna upload the zip file. Upload. Choose the file on my desktop again, and click on the Prosper file. Open. Just wait for that to finish uploading. Okay, that's all complete. Close this. Go back to your cPanel. Press reload. Click on the file, press extract, and extract files. Okay, that's all done. Close. Now you see we got a directory here called Prosper202. We don't want it to be inside the Prosper202 directory, so we're just gonna move the files. So I'm gonna double click on this, and we're gonna click select all. Then click move file. And we want to move it just up a directory, so I'm just going to delete this. So the thing you do, just delete where it says Prosper202.161, delete that, press move files. That's all good. Go up one level, then you'll see that all the files are here. Close that one. The next thing we gotta do is open up the URL to where we put the files. So in my case, prosper.affiliatetechsupport.com. Press enter. So here it says there doesn't seem to be a 202-config.pop. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to create that now. So click create. Okay, we got all this. Let's go. So the database name is the same as the username we store in our text file. So I'm going to bring that up. Right click, copy. Delete that, left click, paste. Username exactly the same. Left click, paste. Password. And leave this as it is. Don't touch any of that. Submit. Alright, so it accepted our details. Press run the install. You can read through this if you want. Just type in your email. I'm going to type in Stian at my username is just going to be Stian. You can type in whatever you want here. Password. Type in a password and click install. Success, that's it. Now what you gotta do is just go to this address right here, click it, log in with your username and password, sign in, and there you go. Prosper is installed and ready to use. This is the actual tracking section right here, tracking 202. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video and see you soon.